Hello, y'all. Today we're gonna go buy the yacht once for all. Gotta get out of this parking lot first. Who knocked down that light pole? Wasn't me. Let's go buy a yacht. God, did we have a storm last night? There was a falling down tree. There's the yacht. I parked my truck. Let's park it under a tree. Here we go. Right behind the mechanic building. Let's go. Oh crap. Whoops. Rip money. I hope it's well worth it. A nice first person. I am now the captain. Pick up all the neighbors. Neighbors are waking up because of me, and they're probably in a pissy mood now. This thing's slow. At least I didn't build the bridge yet. And I'll have a small enough heli to put it on this. That horn sounds awesome. Took me 3 days to get to 700K, but it was well worth it, I hope. Let's check out this thing. Oops. I wonder if this is the place where the chairs are gonna go in the next update. Maybe, maybe not. It'd be cool if those things expand. Feels like they do in real life. GTA does not lie. And that's gonna be it for the day. See y'all next time, and goodbye.